एक्चुअली हमारा एक किस्सा है इमिटेशन का ना, आपका और मेरा. तो she has already experienced me imitating someone, and after that I didn't go back to school. So
टीचर
because it was everywhere.
वो वायरल हो गया था बहुत.
तो
टीचर थी ना आपकी? What she was asking you to not keep quiet.
then after that I didn't go back to school.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for your questions. But before I come to them, सबसे relatable character trait जो जूडी हॉब्स में है, जो आपको लगता है, एक तो of course उसकी बड़ी आंखें देखकर और उसकी she's warm, bubbly, but yes, she knows her mind. You know, that's very you. What's the most relatable character जूडी हॉब्स का आपके लिए?
So there are lots of, I think, characteristics. I think कि उसको गाजर भी बहुत पसंद है, मतलब वो फूडी है. मतलब वो फूडी है. और I think that apart from that, I can relate to her is the enthu cutlet aspect. If I'll be very honest with you, because I also know कि if something really excites me, and if I'm in that go mode about something, then you know, even I get very positive about it, and I'm like, come on, let's do this and let's go for it. And I think that is something similar about us.
जूडी के अलावा और कौन से कैरेक्टर आपको बहुत पसंद आते हैं इन ज़ूटोपिया?
यार मुझे बहुत गैरी ना बहुत क्यूट लगता है. I think he is a very very lovable snake. एंड वो इतना प्यारा है, उसकी आंखें और उसका एक जो टूथ है, आप एक उसका प्यारा सा दांत देखते हो तो इतना क्यूट लगता है वो. तो आई थिंक ही इज वेरी वेरी स्वीट.
अगर जूडी मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में फंसती, जो वो फंसती, तो और ऑफ कोर्स ड्राइविंग स्किल्स तो उनके क्या बोले, और आपकी गाड़ियां तो हम क्या कहें. बताओ अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक जाम में फंसती तो वो कैसे क्या बोलती? अब श्रद्धा हमको बताएंगे, नहीं सॉरी जूडी हमको बताएंगे.
अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक में फंसती,
हाँ,
तो वो एक्चुअली
क्या बोलती?
वो लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन है, वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती सिचुएशन को, चुपचाप बैठती वहां पे और शायद एक गाजर खाती.
और कुछ तो बोलती भी ना. आप जूडी स्टाइल में बोलो थोड़ा, तो हमको वी वांट टू हियर.
वो मैं बचा के रखती हूँ.
ओके फाइन, ओके
हाँ, वो बनी पे आता है ना, मजा आता है फिर.
ऑलराइट, दीस आर योर क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू फॉर योर क्वेश्चंस. तो सबसे पहली बात, वो बड़ी एक्सप्रेसिव आंखें, ऑन स्क्रीन एनर्जी, सब कुछ दिख रहा है, मैच हो रहा है जूडी हॉब्स के साथ. बट अगर उनकी एक नॉन स्टॉप एनर्जी, जज्बा और डिटर्मिनेशन के आगे अगर एक चीज आपको इस एक्सपीरियंस में एज एन एक्टर, एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन बहुत फुलफिलिंग लगा, वो क्या?
बहुत ही मज़ा आया टू बी एबल टू मॉड्यूलेट विथ माई वॉइस. एंड मतलब आप तो ये हर वक्त करते हो, एंड वी वर जस्ट, अजीत एंड आई वर ऑल्सो जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ ब्यूटिफुल योर वॉइस इज एंड हाउ एनर्जेटिक योर वॉइस इज. एंड मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया टू बी एबल टू प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर. एंड व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म ऑल्सो, देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स इन सर्टन वेज इन विच शी स्पीक्स, और अलग अलग तरीक़ों से वो अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करती है. जब बहुत गुस्से में होती है वो कैसे बात करती है, जब मजाक कर रही होती है तो कैसे बात करती है. तो टू रियली एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड टू, हाउ डू यू से, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा energetic भी है
Yeah.
and she's very positive and very lovable. So I have to say also I was in such a good mood when you know I was just happy whenever I was going into the dub studio and dubbing. So I really enjoyed that. I think to be able to bring out a character just with your voice, and also it's not that it's my voice, of course it's my voice, but you have to be the character's voice and you have to make sure that you're bringing out that those specific personality traits and that specific kind of intonation and modulation.
I want us to, for a moment, Shraddha, you and me, clap for some of the beautiful people in this audience today. जिनमें से हमारे friends हैं जो छोटे शहरों से आके इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें कर चुके हैं. We want to clap for you because that's exactly who Judy Hopps is. Nobody thought she could do what she did with her life, and I know many of you have done that. And
That's true also. She has this attitude which is I mean, you can't tell me what I can't do. And that attitude is very, I think it's inspiring for all of us. It's inspiring for me also. And at the same time, you know, she retains her softness also about herself, which is really nice.
that is your superpower, and I know that I've told you कि कितनी प्यारी चीजों के लिए आपका दिल धड़कता है, despite you being, you know, up there in the sky, shining like a star for us, and still shining your light upon every small and big thing that touches your heart, है ना? I know she's saying ये क्या हो रहा है अर्जु? You know, all girls can relate to Judy for that righteousness. जो मुझे ऐसे लगता है we are born with it at some level. लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि छोटे शहरों से आके ये बड़े सपने जो वो पूरे करते हैं, आपके लिए has there been a personal anecdote where you've seen people like that around you and got inspired? Because by the grace of God, आपके लिए वो एक setup था. You had a family who was already there in that sense. You just had to inspire yourself. But do you feel you saw someone and felt, wow, this is so inspiring? ऐसा कोई था आपके आसपास?
No, of course, I feel like, I mean, even be it at home, be it learning from my father, his entire journey, how he came from Delhi, he came from a non filmy family and all of that, that is a separate thing. I mean, आप जो पूछ रहे हो around me all the time, I think that, you know, me being an actor, actors are in the front of everything, right? They are on the poster, they come and talk to everybody, they give interviews and they interact with everyone. But the thing is that nobody who is in the front is able to do what they do without everybody who's at the back. And it's not possible only. And that
Team
is
effort.
absolutely. And nobody can do anything alone. And कोई कुछ अकेला नहीं कर सकता. There is always a force and there is always an entire team of people around them. There are people who inspire them all the time. And for me also, I'm constantly surrounded by people who I'm very grateful to be surrounded by, who are in my life. Because without them, and I have a very long list. Very, very
Oh,
long
so
list.
sweet.
Absolutely, because
I think आपके लाइफ में Nick Wiles बहुत हैं.
you know, I feel like definitely my entire family is there, who, you know, they've been my pillar through and through. But I also have to say that people who I work with also, you know, people who instill their faith in me and say
Yeah.
that, you know, okay, let's make this movie together or let's do this together. It's a big deal, and it's something that I really, really cherish.
जूडी हॉप जो है वो अपनी लाइफ को रीडिफाइन करती है. शी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली इन द नो ऑफ कि अच्छा मैंने शायद यहाँ गलती कर ली, ये कर दिया. शी इज वेरी सेल्फ अवेयर. डू यू हैव अ पर्सनल जूडी हॉप मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ?
But actually, let me come back to your question. If I had to pick my real life Nick, I would say that I have a few Nicks, and that's my mom, my dad, and my brother. I would say that they are my Nicks in my life. And a real life Judy Hopps moment. अरे काफ़ी सारे हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि यू नो टू बी एन एंथू कटलेट अबाउट समथिंग.
हाँ.
I was an enthu cutlet about coming here also today because I was very excited to meet everybody and you know to talk to all of you. So I think that I have a Judy Hopps moment every single day.
You've done so many inspiring characters, and some of them even had negative shades. उनमें से ड्रॉ करके इस वॉइस में लाना, उसमें ढालना, कुछ आपको याद आती है कि शायद यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया, यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया?
मैं आपको सच कहूँ, आई थिंक वेयर आई रियली ड्रू इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम वाज फ्रॉम माय बचपन.
Okay.
आई हैव टू से जो बचपन से वो अंदर, आई थिंक आई रियली सबकॉन्शियसली वांटेड टू गिव माय वॉइस फॉर एन एनिमेटेड फिल्म. एंड व्हेन दिस हैपेंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक अभी
Yes.
मजा आने वाला है. एंड सो आई थिंक दैट it's my childhood. I think a part of my childhood has been complete by, you know, being a part of this film.
And it's a $1 billion beautiful franchise, Zootopia 2. And it must be a bit of a shock moment कि boss मैं animated movie का हिस्सा हूँ, Disney movie
You know,
का.
what I love about Zootopia, very honestly, is the fact that, you know, although it's an animated film, it has a really wide appeal. You can take your kids, you can take your friends, your family, and you know, they have these little lessons in them and these themes which, you know, everybody can relate with. So that is something that I really liked. And in a mazedar way, you know, you're watching an animated film and you go back happy.
So all the fans and all our wonderful friends from media, कुछ message है आपके लिए as Judy Hopps, as Shraddha, what would you like to tell them?
से कि अभी हाँ कौन कौन
अरुण पूछेगा?
अरे बाप
मल्ला
अच्छा पहले पहले मैं मैसेज दे दूँ चलेगा. मेरा मैसेज जस्ट यही है कि पहली बार आई एम lending my voice for an animated film और मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया and I hope that, you know, all of you enjoy it as well. And it feels really nice that animated films are growing year by year in India, and you know, all of us and our families are loving it, so I'm really happy to be a small part of that.
And जैसे बचपन में आप और आपके भाई वो आईने के सामने खड़े होके देखते थे, क्या Zootopia 2 आप पूरे परिवार के साथ जाके देखोगे फ्रेंड्स को लेकर?
Definitely. I think that my family will also be very excited to see how Judy Hopps is in my voice.
Absolutely. 28th November, Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. Should we watch the trailer now, guys? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Come,
Let's
Shraddha.
do it.
फिर से
Everybody, let's put our hands together. Hello, baby. I'm from this one. And so heartwarming personality that Shraddha Kapoor as Judy Hopps. What a couple coming together for Zootopia 2. Come for a moment to take a picture with you. Thank you, dear friends. Lots of love to you and your energy for this beautiful person that we have with us today. Thanks.
अरे भाई
Okay, we have a cute little thing that I'd like us to do if you don't mind. Can we both see? Can you see? Yeah? Shraddha and Choटी ने पर excited है क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे आपकी magical आवाज के लिए as Judy Hopps है. Can we have you say something as Judy Hopps to our?
Yeah. I think let them enjoy it on the big screen. है ना, with the bunny. Just family को लेके जाना, दोस्तों को लेके जाना, मजेदार पिक्चर
अरे
है,
बच्चे के-
enjoy it and go
अरे
and
बच्चों
watch
को।
it. That's all.
अरे बच्चों को तो बोला ही नहीं।
Here's a Shraddha, I want you to stand here. Your last
जिसकी
picture.
मूवी है उसको बोला ही नहीं बच्चों को।
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. Zootopia 2 in cinema halls, 28th November. Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu.